to increase your Tabby card limit. 1. Open the Tabby app on your phone. 2. Go to the Tabby card section from the home screen. 3. Tap on Manage Card or Card Details. 4. Look for the option that says Request Limit Increase or Increase Spending Limit. 5. Make sure your personal information like Emirates ID, income, and contact details is up to date. 6. Maintain a strong payment history. Always pay your installments on time, as this builds your credit with Tabby. 7. If available, upload any updated income proof or financial details requested by Tabby. 8. Submit your request and Tabby will run a quick eligibility review. 9. Once approved, your new higher limit will appear automatically in your Tabby app under your card balance.